Did you know that your diet could be draining your wallet without you even realizing it? Today, we're diving into how a natural diet can save you a ton of money. And not just a little bit. I'm talking hundreds of dollars, maybe even more. Stick around because I'm also going to share a bonus tip that'll put even more cash back in your pocket. And trust me, you'll never look at your grocery bill the same way again. Let's kick things off by exposing the biggest myth out there: processed food is cheaper. Sounds familiar, right? Fast food, microwave meals, and all those junk snacks may seem budget-friendly, but they're secretly sneaking money out of your wallet. Here's the deal. That $5 fast food meal might seem like a bargain, but what if I told you it's actually a money trap? Sure, it's convenient, but it lacks nutrients, leaves you hungry, and makes you snack even more. In the long run, you're paying twice. Once for the junk, and again for the health problems it causes. Processed food is one of the biggest culprits of hidden expenses, from poor health to repeated grocery runs for more snacks. Now what if I told you there's a way to save money and eat better? Switching to a natural whole food diet not only nourishes your body but can cut your grocery costs. How, you ask? Natural foods are more nutrient-dense, meaning you eat less but feel fuller and more energized. Let's talk produce. Buying fresh fruits and veggies in bulk is way more cost-effective than constantly buying snacks. A bag of apples, bananas, or carrots costs less than a single fast food meal and lasts way longer. Plus, these natural foods are packed with vitamins and fiber, meaning you stay full longer and don't need to snack as much. Or how about whole grains like quinoa, oats, or brown rice? They're cheap, filling, and loaded with nutrients. These foods keep you satisfied for hours, eliminating those costly midday snack attacks. You might be thinking, is this really going to save me money? Yes, because when you're fueling your body with the right nutrients, you need fewer calories and your grocery bill shrinks. Before we dive into the biggest money-saving hack with a natural diet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you're learning something new. You won't want to miss more tips like this that save you money and boost your health. Here's where things get really interesting. Eating junk food might save you money today, but guess what? In the long run, it could be costing you thousands in healthcare bills. Think about it. A diet full of processed foods leads to chronic illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. And trust me, those hospital bills are anything but cheap. Eating this stuff regularly doesn't just hurt your health, it crushes your wallet with future medical bills, doctor visits, and medications. But on the flip side, a natural diet, one rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, has been shown to reduce the risk of these chronic conditions. Imagine saving thousands of dollars by just eating the right foods. Isn't that worth it? Segment 3. Smart grocery shopping for natural foods. Let me break down a money-saving grocery hack for you. When shopping for natural foods, stick to the outer aisles of your supermarket. That's where you'll find fresh produce, whole grains, lean meats, and dairy. The middle aisles? That's where all the expensive processed junk hides out, looking all cheap but costing you big in the long run. Shopping tip: make a list and stick to it. Impulse buys in the middle aisles are where you lose money. Segment 4. Save money by cooking at home. Now, here's a game changer that can save you hundreds. Cooking at home. It's no secret that eating out or ordering takeout drains your budget, but what many people don't realize is that cooking with natural ingredients is not only cheaper but also healthier. Let's do the math. The average takeout meal costs around $12, but cooking that same meal at home with natural ingredients could cost you as little as $5. That's more than 50% savings, and the best part? You know exactly what's going into your meal. No hidden sugars, salts, or unhealthy oils. Make meals in bulk and freeze leftovers. One cooking session can feed you for days, saving you time and money. Segment 5. Health is Wealth Natural Diet's hidden savings. But wait, it's not just about saving on groceries. A natural diet can also lead to fewer sick days and higher productivity. Think about it. How much does it cost you when you're out of work due to poor health? Natural foods like leafy greens, fruits, nuts, and seeds boost your immune system and give you the energy to stay active and productive. When you're eating right, you feel more energized, which means you're getting more done in your day. And that's priceless. So not only are you saving money directly on food and healthcare, but you're also getting more out of life. How's that for value? Bonus tip: grow your own food. Now for that bonus tip I promised, if you want to save even more money while eating naturally, consider growing your own food. You don't need a huge garden to do this. Even a small herb garden or a few potted plants on your balcony can make a difference. Imagine growing your own tomatoes, herbs, or leafy greens. Fresh, organic, and totally free. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding hobby. There you have it. Eating a natural diet isn't just good for your body, it's great for your wallet. From saving on groceries to avoiding those massive healthcare bills, going natural is the smart choice. And if you're still hungry for more health tips, you've got to check out our video on Dr. Sebi's alkaline diet, a proven method to prevent illness and feel amazing. Click over and watch it now. Trust me, it's a life changer.